After a patient died on Tuesday night, France is in a race to find out how he caught the coronavirus. The 60-year-old schoolteacher lived in this small town north of Paris. He hadn't travelled to any zones where the outbreak is known. And President Emmanuel Macron is now scaling up preparations for an outbreak.
We're going to be facing a crisis. An epidemic is coming our way, and we know that some countries are already much more affected than we are. This means that we have to organise ourselves differently for each stage, and we will have to face it as best we can.
But doctors are concerned France is simply unprepared.
If there are 1,000 cases, it won't be a problem for our healthcare system. But if there's 1 million or 10 million people who are infected within a short period of time, we're going to face huge difficulties taking care of them.
Over in the hospital where the teacher was first admitted, the intensive care unit has now been closed and an emergency plan has been triggered. But some say this isn't enough to stop the virus from spreading.
It's very worrying. They've even restricted access to masks because stocks are low. There weren't many before, so imagine now.
French authorities have picked out 108 hospitals to respond to an outbreak and are urging citizens to avoid travelling to virus hotspots, notably in neighbouring Italy.